so let us sign up for our developer editions. Everyone, just open internet browser. Go to your browser, put this thing developer.salesforce.com/signup. This dot is not required there. So just put this thing developer.salesforce.com/signup. Then fill in all the details there. Put your name and your company. Company name can be anything. So I want everyone to quickly do this. Set up your developer editions very quick. So go to developer.salesforce.com/signup. Fill in all the fields there. Okay. Make sure the username that you are entering is in form of an email address. It is okay if you put your email address as the username, that is also fine. And then finally click on submit registration. Once you submit it, you will receive a thank you message, and after that you need to go to your email and click on the link to set your password. Let me know once you are done with it. Please type it in the chat window once you are done with it. Okay, Ramakrishna is done. Look, so if you are logged in into it, I hope you see something similar to this, right? This is how it looks. So let us understand the different things available here. So first thing that we have here is in the top right corner, if you see, there is a apps menu. So this is called app menu. All the applications that you have, if you remember, I told you that there are certain pre-installed apps in this developer edition. So all those apps are listed here. Apart from these apps, in case you create your own app, those will also be listed here. This is the help link. This is the setup menu link. If you click on setup, you will see a complete menu in the left hand side, which is required for doing any setup changes that you want to do. Okay. So setup, when I say, it can be the job of an administrator or a developer. All type of setup is done from here. So see, administrator setup and the developer setup. So everything is here. Okay, build, deploy, monitor, everything is here in the setup menu, right? If you want to make any personal setup changes, like changing your username, password, all those things, you need to click on your name. I think you will be able to see your name here. Just click on my settings. That will allow you to make changes to your personal settings, your personal like things like your personal information, first name, last name, email ID, username, alias. You want to change your password, you can do it from here. So everything is listed here in the my settings. Okay. So these four things personal settings, setup, help, app menu. In the left hand side, this menu is there, which is either the setup menu or my settings menu. And then you see this tab panel at the top. So these are all tabs. Okay. So these tabs are basically used for connecting you to the backend objects. So we just talked about, the data and everything. So whenever we are talking about database is what? Collection of tables, right? So all these tables are in the backend. You need to access those tables using these tabs. So if you want to store information, so all these tabs are connected to, apart from home and chatter, other tabs are connected to a table in the backend, right? And you to connect to that table, or to see the data or to enter data, you need to click on the tab. Got it? So campaign lead, account, contact, opportunity. Let's say you want to enter some information in opportunity table, you can click on this and this will connect you to the opportunities, and then you can start inputting information into that. The same way if you want to enter some information. So what all these mean and everything, we will talk about that. So what is this account tab meant for, or what is this contact tab or table meant for? So I'll talk about all those stuff, but I just want you to understand the overall user interface. So are we clear on this? We understand this thing, that these are the tabs which are connected to the tables in the backend. Okay. And we will use these tabs to store or retrieve information into the tables. And then there is a home tab and the chatter tab. Chatter is more like a in-house social networking thing. So you can have this within your company. It's more like a small social networking site which you can have. See, there's a chat option also available. So using this chatter, you can chat within your company. And you can also post status and everything, and you can have people's comment on that. Got it? So you go to this chatter thing, you will see that you have, it's more like the way you post something on a LinkedIn or a Facebook.
One question.
Yeah, please tell me.
So all these tabs, the campaigns, the account, are they just tables, or those are the CRM applications?
Sorry, those are
The applications, the CRM application or the CRM module?
Yeah, so these applications are listed here. Okay. So like call center, marketing, sales, these apps are listed here. These are all connected to the tables in the backend, right? So the modules or the application which you are talking about, those are listed here. Fine. Okay. So that is what we have got in developer edition. We will learn a little more about developer edition going forward. But before that, now let us go and understand. So developer edition is what we have created. Now let us understand what are the other editions which are available in Salesforce. Okay, give me 1 minute.